Hello everyone. Today I came with Microsoft Loop app. Here I'll explain what is Microsoft Loop, how do you get access to that, and how to get started and many more. I hope you'll enjoy this session on the Loop app. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet for more interesting videos on the Microsoft 365 app suites. Let's understand it is Microsoft Loop app. Microsoft Loop is a tool that helps teams work together by creating and sharing small pieces of content, like lists or notes, that can be updated in different apps, like Teams or Outlook. It keeps everything in sync, so if someone updates something in one app, it automatically changes everywhere else. Loop also lets teams organize their work on pages and group everything related to a project in Workspaces, making it easier to stay organized and up to date. So this is all about Loop. How do you get access to the Loop? Let's get started. You can log into Microsoft Loop from the Microsoft 365 app launcher, like from SharePoint, Outlook, or any Microsoft 365 apps. Click here. If you click the app launcher, then you can see the Loop app. If you don't see it, you can find it from here. Give a search here, and you can find it from there, then you can add it. Otherwise, directly, you can log into the Loop portal. You can see the URL. Directly, you can go to this URL to log in. URL, then you'll be redirected to Workspace page. From here, you can get started. This is the default workspace. Here I'll create a new workspace. By the way, what is Workspace in Loop app? A workspace in Microsoft Loop is a shared area where teams can keep all the content related to a specific project. It helps everyone stay organized by grouping together pages, lists, and other items in one place. This makes it easy for team members to access and update project information. Let's continue to Workspace demo. This is my. Next, I'll show you how to create a workspace and how to work with that. Please stay with me. It is very interesting. You'll learn a lot today. Now, follow these steps to create a new workspace. Here I'm going to create my demo workspace. Click on the Create New Workspace icon, then naming my demo workspace. You can share your workspace with your colleagues or teams during the creation of the workspace, and you can share it later as well. I have named my workspace something like my demo workspace, then configured the relevant icon for my workspace. Please see the screen at what I am doing. Then click on the Continue button. Next, you will get to add files to your workspace screen, where you can describe your workspace. Please see the screen at what I am doing. Based on your description, keywords related to files will be displayed on the right side pane. Finally, click on the Create button. Then, your workspace will be created with an untitled page. Name your page, add a relevant icon, and cover to your page. Here is the demo and what I explained about how to create a workspace. Please follow me and watch this demo until the end. You will learn a lot today. Workspace. You can design your default workspace page with the empty template from scratch, or you can select any of the templates listed out here. You can add a cover, an icon as well. Here, I have selected the Meeting Notes template. You can customize this template as per your needs. Here, you can manage your meeting topic, attendees, agenda, tasks, and meeting notes. First, I have added this Meeting Notes template without including the content, then later included the content. From the topmost right corner, click on the three dots to see various configuration options. From there, you rename and style, version history, delete, and many more. Next, move on to ideas. How to work with this. What is an idea in Loop? In Microsoft Loop, an idea is a flexible space where you can jot down and organize thoughts, brainstorms, or initial concepts. It allows you to capture and share ideas quickly with your team, making it easy to expand on them later. Ideas can be the starting point for a project, helping teams to collaborate and develop them further. Let's continue creating an idea page. From the Ideas section, click on the Add Ideas component link. By the way, here you'll see all your ideas you've already created. I'm creating my idea page. Name your idea. I just named it as my demo idea. This is the same as the workspace page. Either you can create it with the empty template from scratch, or you can select any of the templates listed out here. Look at the screen. Here, I am showing how to add the custom icon and cover to this idea page. You can see the cover page image templates. You can even filter with relevant text for your idea and select it. Again, here I'll pick any of the templates. This time I'll pick the team decision template, where your team can use this template to make a team decision asynchronously. First, I have selected the team decision template without the content to see how it looks like. Then later, I'll include content to it. Here, you can manage your team ideas, tasks, final team decision, and many more. Please have a look at the screen and see what I am doing. Click on these three dots to see various configuration options. Here, you can rename and change the style. You can print and export as a PDF. You can see version history and can restore your work from the past at any point in time. This is a really awesome feature. You can change the various other settings from here. Please see the screen. You can share the page link and loop component as well. You can see and explore various sections of the team decision template. You can add your idea to your selected workspace as well. Click on the Add to Workspace, then select your needed workspace. I'm adding this idea to my demo workspace. After adding your idea to your workspace, you can explore various features of it. Please have a look at the screen and see what I am doing here. From here, you can create a loop component. By the way, what is loop component? A loop component in the Microsoft Loop app is a piece of content, like a list or table, that can be shared and updated across different Microsoft apps like Teams or Outlook. When you make changes to a component in one place, those updates automatically appear everywhere the component is used. A common use case for a loop component is managing a task list for a team project. For example, you can create a task list as a loop component and embed it in a Teams chat and an Outlook email. as team members update the tasks, like marking them as complete or adding new ones. The changes will instantly reflect in both the chat and the email, keeping everyone on the same page without needing to send separate updates. Create a loop component from your team decision idea table. Copy your loop component. My loop component link has been copied. Now, paste this loop component link to your Outlook. I have pasted this copied loop component here in my Outlook. Now, see the magic. Do some changes in this loop component from your Outlook. The changes you make from your Outlook will be immediately synced to the actual component in the loop. Here, I am adding something for this testing and making changes to this component. Please follow me what I am doing here. I have added a sample row for the idea and voted on previous ideas. Then I came back to my loop app component. I can see the changes in what I did from my Outlook. I would say that this is a masterpiece from the loop app. The loop component ensures that content stays synchronized across multiple apps, so any updates made in one place automatically reflect everywhere it's used. This seamless synchronization eliminates the need for manual updates and reduces the risk of outdated information, enhancing team collaboration and efficiency. You can see the various configurations from here. Now I'll open my Microsoft Teams. It's opening. Please have patience, still loading. I'll show you here something interesting. To integrate Microsoft Loop with Teams, simply insert a loop component like a task list or table directly into a Teams chat or channel using the insert or loop icon. Team members can then collaborate in real time with any changes made in Teams, automatically syncing across other Microsoft 365 apps. You can also pin or reuse the component in different apps, ensuring all updates stay synchronized. Still loading my Teams. Wow, it opens now. Just paste your loop component here from your loop app. Then, make some changes to your component from your Teams chat. Please have a look at the screen at what I am doing and follow me. I have added an idea from my Teams chat. Then, go back to your loop app component. I can see the changes I made in my Teams. How simple and awesome, isn't it? That's all about the Microsoft Loop app. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.